Hello, welcome to Cook It Simple channel. Today I'm going to prepare mutton curry. For this mutton curry, I've taken half kilo mutton washed and cleaned with turmeric powder. I've taken 3 medium sized onion and 3 tomatoes finely chopped and 2 green chilies cut into half, 4 red chili and curry chili powder. I've taken 5 teaspoons. You can take the curry chili powder according to your spiciness because we are adding red chilies and green chilies here. 1 teaspoon turmeric powder. For grinding, I have taken 50 grams of coconut pieces, 2 teaspoons coriander seeds, 1 teaspoon fennel seeds, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon pepper, 1 teaspoon poppy seeds, 2 small pieces of cinnamon, a few cloves, cardamom 2 and a star anise, 1 tablespoon of cashew nut. Instead of cashew nut, you can take 1 tablespoon of fried grams, 1 tablespoon of finely chopped ginger pieces and 1 tablespoon of garlic cloves. Now let's watch the preparation of mutton curry. First I will switch on the stove and take a kadai on it. In that I will add the coriander seeds, fennel seeds, cumin seeds, pepper and poppy seeds. Then I am going to add the spices, cardamom, cloves, cinnamon and star anise. Then I am going to add the red chilies here. Now I am going to roast this for at least 2 minutes until the color changes. Now the color has been changed. Now I am going to add the chopped coconut pieces here and saute it well. After putting coconut pieces, we can saute it for only 1 minute. The coconut need not change its color. I have added all the roasted ingredients in this mixie jar plus cashew nuts and ginger garlic and grinded it well. I am going to make this mutton curry in a pressure cooker. Switch on the stove and add some required oil in the pressure cooker. After the oil is heated, I am going to add this fennel seeds, cinnamon, cloves, star anise and a brinjal leaves. After it splutters, I will add the finely chopped onions and then saute it well. Saute it until the color changes. Now I am going to add the required salt for this mutton curry so that the onions may fry easily. After the onions are sauteed well, I am going to add the tomatoes now. The tomatoes should be sauteed until it gets smashed. After the tomatoes are smashed well, I am going to add the green chilies and the curry leaves. Now I will add the washed and cleaned mutton here and then saute it. In this mutton curry, I am not going to boil the mutton separately. I am directly going to put the mutton here and then saute it well. After the mutton changes its color, I am going to add the curry chili powder and the turmeric powder, and again I am going to saute it. Now after all the masalas are mixed well, I am going to add the grinded coconut paste in the cooker. Now you can add the required amount of water here. If you want the curry to be thick, you can add less amount of water. If you want the gravy to be watery, you can add more water. So I am added the required water in it, and then I am going to close the pressure cooker lid. Allow it to 6 to 7 whistles. You can allow the whistles according to your pressure cooker cooks your mutton well. Now after 6 to 7 whistles, I am going to open the pressure cooker lid. After opening the lid, see the mutton are cooked well now. If you are satisfied with this thickness, you can just allow it to cook for a few seconds and switch off it. Check the thickness consistency here. If you need more thick, you can allow it to boil for a few minutes. Now I think this thickness is enough for me, so I am going to switch off this. Finally, I am going to put the chopped coriander leaves. Delicious mutton curry is ready. It goes well with plain rice, idli, dosa, puri, chapati, parotha, naan. So you can also try this recipe. If you like this video, like, share, subscribe and comment. I have already uploaded mutton fry in my channel. I will share my link in the description box. Don't forget to watch it also.